Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll see one more session in GitHub, that is how to create a branch in the repository and how can we work in that branches. So the main aim of creating a branch is if you are working on one project and if you want to do some changes towards that project. So in order to change the main project, you can create a copy of that project and we can make the changes to that particular copy. And once it was done successful, then we can merge into the original thing. So that is the main purpose why we are moving towards this branching in GitHub. So now we'll see how to create a branch in the repository, how can we make changes in that one, and how can we merge into the original repository. So I'm doing this in Linux environment, and here let us move on with the terminal first. So already we have created one GitHub repository. In our previous sessions already we have seen how to create, how to add the files into the repository and everything. I'll post the link in the description so you can just go through that one. So just go to the terminal. So here I have created one folder for my Git, that is a KSS. So I'll move on with KSS, and also in that we have a repository called KSS underscore repo. So I'll move on with that one also, KSS underscore repo. So cd KSS underscore repo. So ls, here we are having a few files about, contact, hello, hi, and index.html. So we have connected with the GitHub. This is my GitHub account and this is a repository just we are working. And you can observe the same files are available here, about, contact, hello, hi, and index.html. Now you can observe here only one branch, that is a main branch. Here you can see only one branch. Now in order to create one more branch here, so I need to add a one more file, right? Achievements or any other gallery.html, right? So if I want to that gallery.html, instead of creating the new file in this particular main branch, I just want to create a one more branch and I just want to update it. If it is successful, we can merge. If it is unsuccessful, we can remove that branch. So now here I'll create a branch. So in order to create a branch, the command is git branch. See, before creating, we can check how many branches are there. So for that, the command is git branch. So you can see there is a new two branches here. Okay, but one KSS underscore new was not available in this repository. Here it is only one, so I'll remove this one. So in order to remove the existing branches, simply use branch -d and KSS underscore new. So deleted branch. Now you can again check the status by using this git branch. So we are having only one main function. So now we have to create a one more branch. I'll create here git branch, give the new branch name. So I'll go with the demo branch. Okay, I have created a branch called demo branch. See here you can observe once again the status git branch. So it will give only 2 1, and here you can observe a star beside the branch name. That means now we are working on that particular branch. That means we are in main branch, not in the demo branch. Demo branch was created just now, we have created, right? Now in order to switch to that particular branch, you need to use a command called git switch. Switch, give the branch name, so demo underscore branch. So switch it to branch demo.branch. Now you can again check with the branch command. Now you can see two branches are there, main demo underscore branch. Now star is beside the demo underscore branch. That means now we are working in demo underscore branch. Okay. Now you can observe here in our GitHub account, we are having still only one branch. See, we are having only one branch here. So you can use this command called git push hyphen u origin, give the branch name, so demo underscore branch. It was asking about the password. Remember, if once the connection is established between your Git and GitHub, whenever it asks the password, you need to give the token number. Token. So the creation of token also we have discussed in our previous session, right? So just store the token anywhere. You can make use of that particular token whenever it asks the password. So simply you can see this is a token. See, this is also a token till this one. So I can copy and I can paste it. Invalid username. Okay, I have stored this token. So this is my token. So the same token you can observe. So I'll use the same. Once again, it will ask the password. So I'll paste it and enter. Yes, completed. Okay, now you can observe. So once again, you check the status, which branch we are working. So demo underscore branch, and now go to the GitHub and you just refresh. You will see the second branch. See, second branch, two branches. So one is main, another one is demo underscore branch. Okay, now we have pushed that into our repository. Branch was created in the repository also. So through the command called git push hyphen u origin branch name. Now we are working in this particular branch and see, and you can select the here demo underscore branch. So whatever the files available in main branch, everything available in this demo underscore branch also. Okay, sub branch also. Now I'll create one more file here. See, gedit. Let it be gallery.html. Gallery.html. So I'll give a small code. Okay, I don't want to go with a more code, just to demonstrate. So h1 I'll give gallery, right? I'm closing this one and I'll save this one. Now you can see the list of files. So about gallery.html is there, hi.html is there, contact.html is there, hello.html is there, and index.html. So what was the new file created in this branch is a gallery.html, and see here it was not available in this demo branch. There is no gallery.html. So we have created that HTML file in our local directory, not in the GitHub. And similarly in main also it was not available. See, in main also it was not available. Now we need to push it into that repository, remote repository. So for that we need to go with the same thing. So git add gallery.html. Now it will be added to the staging area, and git commit -m and give the timestamp here. I'll give today's date. So it was completed, and now we need to push into the repository. So git push origin, not main. We are pushing the same file into demo underscore branch, this particular repository. So again it was asking about the password. Once again you just give the token. So make sure save the token somewhere else. So it was completed here, right? Now you can observe already working directory we are having a gallery.html. So we have pushed into the remote repository. Now you can observe, see, if you refresh this one demo branch, and we got the gallery.html here, but it will not be available in main branch. See, so this is a main branch. Here there is no gallery.html because we have created one file in local directory, that too in sub branch, the newly created branch, and then we have added and committed to the staging area, and then we have pushed into the demo branch, not in the main branch. So this completed. Now what we have to do, so if it works perfectly, now we need to add these particular files which are added in the sub branch into main branch. So demo, in main we are not having gallery, but in demo we are having gallery. So let it be, this is an additional feature we have added into our project. So that should be reflected into the main branch, yes. So for that we need to use, we need to switch into the main. So you can check the status of the branch. So two branches, and now currently we are in demo underscore branch. So we need to switch into main because we need to merge. So switch to branch main. So once again, check the status grid branch. So now we are working in main. Now we need to pull. We need to pull the main function or is in main. So once it was done, fetch is completed. Now we need to merge. So what we need to merge? So git merge whatever the branch we have created, demo underscore branch. So whatever the files we are having, that will be coming to the, see, one file changed and 3 insertions. Now you can observe still that file will not be available in main branch unless you have to use the push function. So you can see in the main function there is no gallery here. Okay, there is no gallery. Now you can check one more step to go. So git push origin main. So once it was done, so again it was asking about the token. So just paste the token and press enter. So completed. So you can now check here, go to the refresh and see whether the gallery is available in the main branch. Yes, you can observe gallery is available in the main branch itself. Okay, so what we have done, we have created a one more branch called demo branch. In that demo branch we have created one file called gallery.html, and once it was done we have merged this particular branch to the main branch. So as I said that if we want to work, or if we want to modify the existing code, we can create one separate branch and we can apply whatever the changes we want into that particular branch. And once it was done successful, then we can simply merge the updations to the main branch. So that's what we have done here, right? So with the help of git commands, right? So hope you understood this one, and if you are having any queries regarding these branches, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed the session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.